Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to ZN Podcast, your educational hub. Today, we are going to talk about data science. So, before we get to the science of data, I would like us to first define what data is, because it is very important to understand it before you get into the science side of it. So, data is basically factual information such as measurements or statistics used as basis for reasoning, discussion, or calculation. So that's basically data in a nutshell. So now let's get to the science of it. So what is data science? So data science combines multiple fields, including statistics, scientific methods, artificial intelligence, and data analysis to extract value from data. So that's a very important thing that I would like us to focus on for today, the extraction of value from data. So how do we extract value from data? So in order for me to explain this in detail, I will make an example of how you extract value from data using the investment industry. So in the investment industry, they extract value from data by making investment decisions. So before we get to the details, let me first paint a picture of how the investment industry is set up, or how it looks like, so that you can understand how is this value being extracted from data. So in the investment industry, we've got researchers, we've got portfolio managers or investment managers, we've got traders, we've got data management, we've got portfolio administrators, or what you call fund accountants in other industries. So researchers, they basically go to the market and make a research on companies that are investable, or companies that you can invest in. So for example, they will go to an engineering industry, and they're gonna look at all the companies that are there and interpret their financial statements to check how are they behaving, are they doing well, is it worth investing in those companies. And they will go, for example, in financial services as well, and all other industries to do all of that. So all that information they're gonna go back to the portfolio managers and say, okay, we have conducted a research on these industries, and these are the companies that we can invest in. So they provide all of that data, and then the portfolio managers will sit and do like a thorough analysis using the models and everything that is needed, like to make the investment decisions. So after they have made that decision, they're gonna take all of that information and take it to the traders, and the traders, they're gonna execute the instruction in the market. Once that is done, then we've got the data management that is looking after all the data of the funds, like they check if the prices are moving, or they are going down, or they are going up, and all of that. And then the fund accountants, at the end of the day, they are going to calculate the net asset value of the fund, so that on the next day, the portfolio managers or investment managers, they will know whether they need to sell more shares or buy more shares for a particular fund. So that's basically the picture in a nutshell. So the entire data that is used on this cycle is helping to make investment decisions. So that's how the investment industry is extracting value from data. So that's what data science is coming in. So on the next episode, I will go into detail with other examples as to how to extract data, as to how to extract value from data. See you next time. Thank you so much for tuning in.